What's up guys, everything in one, back here with another video. So the Xiaomi Mi series is now finally official and it's time to check out the Pro variant of this series, which is the Mi Pro. So let's start from the unboxing experience. The phone comes with a classic black colored box with the big number 10 highlighted on the front. Anyways, let's quickly open this lid to check out the stuffs inside. So the first thing here is a small package containing some documentations including a manual. There's also a transparent case which is looking flexible. Moving further, here's the phone itself. Let's put this aside and let's have a quick look on some main stuffs. So here's the charger, and as we have said in our previous videos, this thing supports invincible 65-watt charging, which is capable to charge your phone within half an hour. So you can able to charge around 4500 mAh battery inside this phone within half an hour. That's really amazing. In addition to this thing, we're also getting a Type-C cable inside. So here's the beautiful and the brand new Xiaomi Mi Pro. The first thing you have noticed here is a curved display which looks really beautiful. The back of the phone also has a beautiful texture with a glass layer. The Mi Pro comes with a 6.67-inch curved AMOLED panel with a 90Hz refresh rate. The company also claimed that the Mi Pro's display is even better than that of the iPhone 11 Pro Max. The punch-hole camera is now rocking on the top left corner of the device and the curved appearance is just stealing the show. The bottom bezel is now more reduced compared to the Mi 9. The 90Hz refresh rate is just amazing and everything feels quite snappy here. So that's all about the display. The phone also comes with a large sound chamber, this time with speaker grills at the bottom. So as you can see here, there's a USB-C port but no headphone jack, and sadly the Mi Pro lacks a headphone jack. Over the top of the phone you'll find your mic receiver along with an air blaster as well as a secondary speaker grills for more loud sound quality. In terms of camera, the Mi Pro comes with an advanced quad camera setup at the back. This includes a 108 megapixel primary camera with a dedicated 10x hybrid optical zoom lens, a dedicated 12 megapixel portrait lens and 20 megapixel wide angle sensor. The phone has scored above 124 points on DxO, grabbing the first position. So in terms of photography, the company didn't compromise at all. You can able to take amazing shots from this phone. The phone also comes with HEIF format instead of JPEG, which saves 108 megapixel high resolution images in a comparatively very less size without affecting the quality, overall saving your phone storage. In addition, the phone also supports 8K video recording at 30 frames per second. In terms of performance, the Mi Pro comes with a Snapdragon 865 processor with 12GB of LPDDR5 RAM and up to 512GB of UFS 3.0 storage. The phone also supports Wi-Fi 6, which comes with a data rate of 9.6 GB per second. The phone comes with a 4500 mAh battery with insanely fast 65-watt charging. You are getting MIUI 11 running on the phone with Android 10 out of the box. It also supports 30-watt wireless charging and 10-watt reverse wireless charging. So that's all for this video. Let me know your opinion about this Mi Pro in comment section below. Hope you have liked the video. Make sure to subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon to get notified, and as always, keep watching and keep smiling.